In this video, how to push your code from Lovable AI to GitHub. To get started, open any web browser and visit the official Lovable website. Sign into your account and choose the project you want to work on. Once the project opens, you'll be taken to the main workspace where your code and project settings are located. From there, look for the GitHub icon in the top right corner of the screen, which is used to connect your Lovable project to your GitHub account. Click on the icon and select the Connect option from the drop-down menu. If this is your first time connecting GitHub to Lovable, you'll be prompted to link your account. You'll then be redirected to GitHub, where you need to sign in and authorize Lovable to access your repositories. This authorization allows Lovable to securely push your project code directly to GitHub. Once the process is complete, the connection is established automatically, and your code can be synced with GitHub without any additional setup. That's how you can easily push code from Lovable AI to GitHub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.